Hi everyone and welcome back to another PA automation tutorial. In this video, I'm going to run through the bulk adding and removing memberships to groups package. So we can see this is in the ConnectWise environment and that this is for a cloud hybrid client. So PA is actually reading the ticket details and is suggesting three packages, a single add remove user to groups, multiple contacts to group and multiple users. We hit our multiple users prompt and then PA then goes through the Azure AD and just the regular Active Directory and finds all groups. We can then see that the request is to add all staff to the all company group. So let's hit the all company group, hit go. P will then go through and find all the users who are already a member of that group. So we can see in this form here, we have on the right members who are already added and left are people who are available. We hit the arrow, we submit the form, and just like that, you have now completed a bulk update of group memberships. So if you want to learn more about PIA, our automation, or our platform, please feel free to have a look at our website at pia.ai. Apart from that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.